You are going to love the 2016 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires, rear performance, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.